Welcome to the online class. First of all, good morning all of you. And today is 3rd June 2026 and you are the student of class 10 and today I will teach you about the biology and the topic is transportation in human beings. You are the family of Science Room Public School. That is my opportunity. In this class, we will study about the transportation in human body, which is also called circulatory system. Transportation is occurred by the circulatory system in human body. Transportation means the movement of substances from one place to another place inside our body, one part to the another part inside our body. This circulatory system carried out by the blood vessels, blood, lymph and heart, which is pumping station of the blood. Blood circulation carried different type of hormones, digested food, enzymes from one part of the body to target site of the body. There are two types of circulatory system. That means circulatory system. In circulatory system, there are two systems are involved. First, blood vascular system. Blood vascular system, and second one is lymphatic system. Blood vascular system consists of blood vessels and heart. समझ रहे हैं? Blood vessels में blood carry होता है, blood जाता है, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood, and heart उसे pumping करता है. So blood circulatory system consists three parts. First blood, second blood circulatory vessels, and third one is heart. Next, blood क्या है? What is blood? What do you mean by blood? Blood is the red, sticky, viscous connective tissue. Connective tissue means connected with one part of the body to different part of the body, to second part of the body. Viscous means गाढ़ा, thickness. They have thickness property. It is a red due to presence of RBC. Connective tissue. It connects. Flowing in the blood vessels. Flowing inside the blood vessels. Blood vessels के अंदर में जाता है. जैसे ब्लड वेसल्स क्या है? आर्टरीज, वेन्स एंड कैपिलरीज. इट फॉर्म 6 to 10% टोटल वेट ऑफ आवर बॉडी. हमारे बॉडी का जितना वेट है उसका अबाउट 6 to 10% जो है वो ब्लड होता है. ठीक है. इन एडल्ट इट कंटेन्स अबाउट 5 to 6 लीटर ब्लड. एक एडल्ट में जो फ्री फ्रॉम डिजीजेज है उनमें 5 to 6 लीटर ब्लड प्रेजेंट होता है. इट विस्कोसिटी इज अबाउट 4.5 to 5.5 टाइम्स दैट ऑफ वाटर. ये पानी से थोड़ा हेवी होता है क्योंकि इनका विस्कोसिटी जो है, इनका जो गाढ़ापन है, इनका जो थिकनेस है वो इनसे अप्रॉक्स 5 टाइम्स वाटर से थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है. इसलिए देयर ब्लड इज हैवियर देन वाटर. ब्लड जो है वो पानी से थोड़ा हेवी है. ठीक है. Hence it is the little heavier than water. It is slightly alkaline, having 7.3 to 7.5 pH. pH means power of hydrogen. यानी ये जो है alkaline है, ये basic nature है और basic nature वैसा alkaline है जो ये alkaline है, that means it dissolved in water. पानी में ये dissolve है. ठीक है. इनका pH जो है वो इनके बीच होता है, that means approx 7.4 pH का blood. In all chordates and in annelids, that means non-chordata, blood is brightly red fluid of salty taste. Chordata or non-chordata? Chordata means having backbones and non-chordata means having no backbones. इनमें जिनमें बैकबोन होते हैं उनमें और जिनमें बैकबोन नहीं होते हैं उनमें भी ये रेड ब्लड पाए जाते हैं. और इनका जो टेस्ट है वो थोड़ा बेसिक टेस्ट है, सॉल्टी टेस्ट है. इस सॉल्टी टेस्ट के साथ ये इनमें कॉर्डाटा, ऑल कॉर्डाटा एंड नॉन कॉर्डाटा हैव रेड ब्लड सेल्स. So today's class is over and you have to remember and rewrite this classwork, this online classwork on your HW copy or CW copy. Thank you.